Maz at Triple C Creations. Hey, it's Maz out here. Finally working on that S10 again. Speed rod. It's getting outside to get some air here, and a little smoky in the shop. That should give a hint that we actually got this thing to fire. We had a few little issues. We got good news and we got bad news. So let's go to the good news. Yeah, we got a little spillage here. We got some coolant issues. But we're kind of getting that under control. So here's the good news. This is gonna make a liar on me. Oil pressure up. Look at that. It's running not bad. Choke's wide open. Got 2 fans going here. Give her a little snap. Give her a good snap. Running not bad. A little hiccup here and there. You can see the antifreeze here. There's some spillage. So now, what did that do? Where's that? Since we got a 190 or 160 thermostat, she's running over the 200s. Exhaust. 2. It's gonna be higher because we're running 2 exhaust manifolds. 4. Exhaust is running pretty even, which is a good sign. Still needs a little tweaking. There we go. So the problem I got going on here is I don't think this rad and these fans is enough for this engine. So she gets hot, to run 1 fan, she pushes her out the antifreeze. That's what all this mess is about. We have some airlocks, but now they're building pressure like crazy. Now it's not bad. You couldn't do that before. An hour ago we couldn't squeeze that. Just push these 15, 16 pound rad caps open. But now she's holding pretty decent. Still running on the warm side. Block out here. The engine block's running not bad. It's running pretty cold. Water pump. You can get in there. See, it's not bad, but it's on that borderline. And it's not like super warm in the shop. This thing will never run in the summer like this. So we're gonna have to get a bigger, badder rad and better fan. Might be running a little lean. Maybe a little reason to run a little warm. But got a good response. We're not getting that great big cloud of antifreeze smoke anymore. Been running pretty clean. A little smoke in here, but you couldn't stand in here before. So that's the good news and the bad news. So now I'm going to slow her down a little bit here. Now we'll shut off. And will it restart? Oh, she might be a little low on the battery. Here, we'll give her a little. Okay, let's try it again here. The battery should be up now. There we go. That sounds pretty good. And the fan's back on again. Going. What's the tap out here? Around the stop here, so it changes. 205. It's old, but that's the max. It should be running way cooler than this. Well, that's it for tonight. So that was the good news and the bad news. So I got it running pretty good now. And I can maintain temp, but it runs on the hot side. So it's not going to be any good for summer use. So I'm going to have to source out a bigger rad, better cooling fans, go from there. Water pump works. There's a new thermostat in it, new head gasket in it. So yeah, we'll continue on, and if you like this video, leave a comment, subscribe down below if possible. It'd be very appreciated, and I can continue on these kind of projects and stuff a little easier for you guys, so I can do this. And yeah, I guess this is Maz, to the next video. Bye.